5 Watt Mini Hydroelectric Project, using tap water, is a small-scale renewable energy system designed to generate electrical power for controlled water flow supplied through a household tap or pipeline. Although the power output is low, the project demonstrates important engineering concepts such as fluid mechanics, turbine efficiency, generator performance, and energy conversion. A 5 Watt system can power LED lights, charge small batteries, run sensors, or support educational experiments. Setting up a mini hydroelectric project teaches valuable engineering skills. It involves measuring water flow, designing a turbine, choosing the right generator, and ensuring efficient power output. This makes it an excellent project for students, hobbyists, and innovators who want hands-on experience with renewable energy technology. One advantage of a tap water hydro system is that it provides a predictable and controllable energy source, making it ideal for technical education. Projects like these inspire creativity and show that even small innovations can lead to big changes in the future of energy. It is widely used for laboratory experiments, student projects, and demonstration models. The fundamental working principle is based on the conversion of water's potential and kinetic energy into mechanical rotational energy. The design of a system consists of several key components: water source and pressure line. Tap water provides continuous and stable flow. Nozzle assembly. A reducer or nozzle increases the velocity of water before it strikes the turbine blades. Proper nozzle sizing is essential for maximizing kinetic energy transfer. Micro-turbine, usually a Pelton-type or impulse turbine, is used in small hydro systems. Mini generator, a small DC motor or permanent magnet generator, converts rotational motion into electrical power. The selected generator must be capable of producing stable voltage at low RPM. The performance of the system depends on several factors, including water pressure, flow rate, turbine blade design, generator efficiency, and mechanical alignment. Even small misalignments or friction losses in the shaft can reduce power output. To achieve the full 5 watts, the system must be optimized so that the turbine rotates smoothly at high speed with minimal resistance. A 5 Watt Mini Hydroelectric Project may be small in size, but carries great educational, environmental, and practical value. By using the natural energy of flowing water, it demonstrates how clean, and renewable power can be generated even on a small scale. In a tap water-based system, water is delivered at a certain pressure. When this pressurized water is directed through a nozzle onto a miniature turbine, the force of the water jet causes the turbine blades to rotate. This mechanical rotation is transmitted to a small DC generator, which produces electrical power. Even though 5 watts is a small output, it is sufficient to power LED lights, charge small batteries, or run low-power electronic devices.